Hi my peeps, what's up, wagwan? So guys, I wasn't gonna video it, but every time I say okay, let's video it. So my peeps, I have 2 pieces of salmon. I'm going to do some baked teriyaki salmon in the oven. Easy and quick. All right guys, so I'm gonna put some fish seasoning, about half teaspoon, not much. All right, no salt today, this is enough. Half teaspoon of black pepper, or just a smidge, you know, maybe less, maybe about quarter. Garlic powder, about quarter or half, up to you. Same for the onion powder, just a little bit. Oh, and I forgot to tell you guys, I add a little bit of coconut oil to the pan so the fish they don't stick. Sorry, I forgot that part. And I'm gonna put about say about a tablespoon of this teriyaki sauce. Cover it, and that's it. Look at that goodness, guys. And the next thing, I have my blended seasoning. I'm gonna put about a teaspoon, half on that one, and the rest over here, guys. And I'm just gonna rub it in. I will leave a link for this one. This one have onion, thyme, pimento, garlic, scallion, parsley, all of that in there. Ooh, juicy and nice. All right, I'm also gonna put about half teaspoon of soy sauce, just a smidge. All right, that look like a teaspoon. So now we're gonna pop this in the oven, guys. We're gonna pop it in for a good 20-25 minutes. If it's more or less, I'll let you know, okay? Cause me like my food well cooked and my fish be cooked and nice. All right, we're gonna pop this in and then I'll come back. Oh, and my oven is at 400. I put it at 400. So guys, right here I'm cooking some rice. This one, fast and fancy. This one is fine herbs and wild. And the instruction is right there, guys. You stir the thing in, you boil the water, you serve it up. Easy. All right, so that's what I'm gonna serve on the side. And over here, guys, look what I have. I have some fresh small baby tomatoes. I think they call them cherry tomatoes. Some cucumber and some lettuce. That's it. That's all in there, nothing more, guys, nothing fancy. So I like to add a little bit more stuff to my salad. About 2 tablespoons of this cranberry, dry cranberry. It's gonna add a little bit of sweetness to it. That's good. I'm also gonna add some of this sliced almond, just a little bit. I'm gonna add some sunflower seed, and this way, guys, you can have all your nuts and your vegetable at the same time. Just a little bit. And I'm gonna add a little bit of pumpkin seed, not much. This is my yummy salad right here, and you can serve it with whatever salad dressing you want. I'm not into salad dressing because I'm on the healthier side. So what I might do, I'm gonna add some of this on my fish, so maybe I'll just use some for my dressing. I'm gonna give it about 5 minutes more, and this time I'm gonna add some sweet Thai sauce. And now my stove is at 350, just to simmer it down. Okay, put the sauce on top. Oh, there's no sauce anyways. Just a little bit. All right. Ooh, can't wait to dive in. My rice done. salad done, and I have some avocado. Steaming it, guys. I'm gonna spoon out just a little bit. Put it at one corner. I think that's it for rice. I don't want more a cup of rice more too, guys. Gonna put a little bit on this side. Oops, everything rolling away, guys. But anyhow, now watch out for this. Just fix it nice. Just make it look pretty, guys. All right, you know where you go. Let's plate up my fish. Woo. Put one piece like so. I'm gonna eat. I don't know if I'm gonna eat the 2-piece one time, guys, but let's plate it up for now. And I'm gonna put the next one right here. Something like so. Let's put my avocado somewhere here. And I'm gonna pour a little bit of the gravy just at the front. It look like it's dripping away. And I have a little bit of leftover of this. I'm just gonna pour a little bit on my salad. And that's it, guys. That's it right there. Woo, woo. That's my dinner I'm sharing with you. My tossed salad or mixed salad, a little bit of rice and avocado, and my 2 pieces of salmon. Really healthy and delicious. All right, guys, look at that goodness. And guys, try this sauce. I love it. You can use it to cook with, or you can just dip it. It's a dipping sauce. You can use it for stir fry, for whatever you want. It's really good, guys. Try it. When I don't eat too much of the dressing, I just put a little bit, and look at that goodness. And it add a little bit of kick to it, a little bit of spice. All right, guys, so this is my salmon in teriyaki sauce and a little bit of my Thai sauce as well. All right, guys, so this is my dinner. Love upon me, and I love upon you guys. You have a good night.